guys, Sam here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 to 1972 seat foam by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Made in the USA, seat foam is available for both front bucket and bench style seats, as well as the rear bench style seat. Each cushion is precision molded from factory seat tooling for that accuracy and perfect fitment. The result is a smooth finish with all the correct contours to give your car that pronounced factory look. In addition, you can purchase our bucket seat foam with and without listing wire to aid in your installation when wrapping with upholstery. We've had more than 25,000 of these installed since 1985, including our very own in-house cars, 4 of which have been awarded the GM Best Restored Car of the Year award at the SEMA Trade Show in Las Vegas. Many years have passed and our seats still look brand new. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to give us a follow for more updates and product features. And for more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.